morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Hello. Yeah, we're going to Ottawa, the capital of Toronto.
Canada.
Canada. Good morning here in Toronto. That is the back. My back is the flat or condo of my daughter Natalie. Then there you go. Hi. Hello to girl. Say hi to my vlog. Yan, early morning guys. So now we're going to Ottawa, the capital of Canada. Good morning guys. This is our second day in Toronto, Canada. So we're going to capital of Canada, Ottawa. Good morning guys. So now we are here in the college station here in Toronto. Down in the subway here. You can see guys the train. So right now guys, early morning time check 6 a.m. Right? So guys, we're going to the bus going to Ottawa. Say hi to my vlog. See you then Ottawa. Sit now Union Rail Station. See, these laser clinics, Canada. Lino, Isabela, oh. Scotiabank. Okay, this one tickets, business on trains. Yeah, no trains to person. Bus terminal, subway. Oh, they have here Shake Shack bar. Okay, guys, so FIFA, manood tayo niyan. FIFA World Cup here in Toronto. Okay. So here the bus station. Yeah. Bus terminal go to Ottawa. Yan guys, downtown. Okay, this is the bus departures. Ano daw? Okay. Niagara Falls daw. New York, Ottawa, 7 a.m. Zone C. Yan, that is it. Zone C, Ottawa, via Peterborough. This one flicks back to Ottawa. Okay, put my luggage. Hello Kitty, Tralico. See you. Okay guys, so ito ang toilet naman nila. Okay, alright. Yan, say hi to my vlog Natalie. Okay, bye bye Toronto, see you on after 2 days. Okay guys, so dito na kami nakaupo sa bus. Flex bus ang tawag. Then this one is like first class bus because we have also child. So I don't wanna make it noise guys. So 2 minutes and then we're going na. See you Ottawa for 5 minutes. 5 hours and a half. Guys, so we're going na guys. We're leaving na. Time check. Okay. 7:15 a.m. So that's my sister. Hello, hi sis. And then there is a go Natalie. Hi Natalie. Maliwanag na guys. Yes guys, so we're going to Ottawa now. 5 hours and a half ang biyahe. So ito naman guys ang kanilang gagandang building dito sa Toronto. Yan. Yan is Scotiabank Arena. And then ito. So guys, early morning here is 7:15 a.m. Look, ayan na ang amanghari na sunlight. So we are here in the Yonge Street. Tim Hortons. You know, Tim Hortons. Hamilton Bus Line. So we're waiting for Nicole. Susutin tayo. Guys, ang kanilang plan here sa Ottawa. Yes, guys. So see you, Nicole. Ayun na siya. Okay, bye from now. Okay, Nicole is here now. Let's go. All right, we're going now.
And it's the trunk will not be able to open, so we'll just put stuff
inside.
Yeah.
All right. O, punta na lang tayo dun sa likod, sa loob.
Sa Canada, walang masyadong gabi.
Ay, wala masyadong gabi dito. It's not like Toronto. Hello. Ay, ang ganda. No, we ask first how to do.
Napunta na tayo. Tapos saka na tayo maghanap. Alin mo na tayo mga gamit nyo.
Okay, so that's one. Take. Hello guys, we are here in Ottawa Rib Fest. So now we're going to choose which food we want to eat. Grab it! Let's go guys! Oh yan no? Okay! Okay muna. Okay guys, so behind me, that's one is the Parliament of Ottawa. Yay! House of Commons, Switzerland.
Dito utin ng Parliament.
Okay guys, okay? Okay, this is the Parliament of Canada guys. Before just watch it, but now I'm here already. I step it now in the ground. Okay. Hi guys, we are here now in the Parliament of Canada here in Ottawa. Okay, and then again another Parliament. Ottawa. Okay. It's okay na? There you go, girl. Oh, yan oh. The big bus.
Ate, gano'n din din. Ote, halika
The
dito
big
dun sa akin sa
bus.
camera ko. Tatlo tayo. Wala.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Night Market Ottawa. There is the Rolex Howard Jewelry Custom and Designs. Yan. Yan ang gusto ko mapuntahan. Oh, yan, napuntahan ko na. Charot? Yan. So, ganda dyan. Oh.
Unless we drive close to that.
Yan yung Parliament.
May parking
And this is the
Yeah.
offices. This is
Kasi
also
meron
the
ganyan
Ottawa
sign.
Night Market.
Ottawa, but
Here,
you
Ottawa
put the
Night
car and
Market.
drive closer na.
Alright, so this is the history of the hill. Time Imperial. Yeah. From 1827 until 2019. Yeah. In 1916 is burned. And then they fixed it on 1920. And they rebuilt by 2002 and to 2019. That's why here they still rebuild. They still do construction here. It's closed the gate. Okay. So this is the visitors entrance.
Come on!
Guys, dito tayo sa may Night Market, Ottawa. And this one, I want to go here in Rolex, Howard Fine Jewels, and Custom Designers. Yan, here. And there, beside is the Parliament. Okay, that one is the transport. Queen Street. Oo nga, ayan na oh. Government of Canada. Here. Girls, guys, dito na tayo sa Ottawa. Okay. O, video muna. Naka-video yan.
All right.
Okay. Then, sabay muna ng ano.
Picture paano ba? Paano mag-picture?
Hi guys, so we are here now in Mandarin Restaurant and Mall. Time check guys, 6:30, but look, still have this strong sun. Yan. May araw pa. Yan, nandun na sila. Kakain na naman kami. Yan. Mandarin. So guys, dito kami sa may Mandarin Restaurant here in Ottawa. There you go. So guys, we are here now in Mandarin. Yeah. So they have this one, the goldfish one. So inside guys, so dito tayo, Mandarin. This is salad. Salmon, teriyaki salmon. This is lemon chicken. Okay, here also is sushi. This area is ice cream for dessert. This sushi. Grilled chicken. Teppanyaki. Spinach. Chicken dumplings. Garlic mussels. Teriyaki fish fillet. Roasted vegetables. Ayan, roasted. So, only that one, guys, is their food. All is a fake flour. Charot. And this area is soup. Hot. Then this is bread rolls and croissants. Fruit breads. Potato scallion loaf. So they have also another function here inside. And the other one here. private function. Meron. Marami lang silang function inside. Mga rooms sa 2, 3, 4 maupuan.
Yeah, na tayo.
House, oh. Oh.
Haunted house pa yung sinabi niya.
Oo nga naman talaga, oh. Haunted house. Oh. Wala na nakatira. Makikita mo naman, oh. Dito yung ginagawang horror movie. Charot. Oo, mga style niya, oh. Old house. The river.
Pumunta lang na ng neighborhood.
Shout out, Natalie.
Hanggang south. Hanggang south.
Send ko sa kanya, Kuya Kingsley sa kaya Ate Maria. Ha? Talaga? So, ibig sabihin, walang magnakaw? Oo, ito, ang ganda nito, oh. Parang Philippine style.
Oh, talaga?
Maganda ng mga bahay, oh. Hindi daw sila naklalak dito ng bahay.
Lapit lang sa...
Dream 26 Audi Pro has 0% and up to $5,750 in Audi credits on eligible models. Only during the Dream It, Drive It stop.
Mag-i-scooting sa babae. Kapatay namin. Dinala na kami sa Ottawa at saka sa Parliament House of
At saka sa
Canada.
Fest.
Rivers Festival. Ito kaleta namin. Okay. Come to House of Nicole here in Ottawa. Dito na tayo, guys. Knock, knock. Who's there? Pababa tayo. Yun sila. This is the basement, guys. Tapos, eto naman sa taas. So, eto. Ang loob ng taas nila. Eto. Oh, luwang-luwang. Feel ko lang nasa Philippines ako. Okay, we go down. So, this is the kitchen. Okay. Baba tayo. Hindi, eko.
Dapat nag-live ka na lang.
Hello, hello. Hello. Hi.
Welcome to Canada.
Yes po. Ha po.
Si Ate Beth,
Oo.
ate ko.
Kapatid ni Jen. Feel ko lang nasa Philippines din ako. Ay, bakit ano to?
Hindi. Kaya,
Pang tinikling.
takta ko, di ko po dito yung structure.
Well, ang
Dati.
ganda. Kahit 50 na tao paturugin dito.
Yan, inuman tayo, guys.
Nakakuha na pa ni school.
Baileys tayo. Ayan. Baileys.
Ay, apo mo nakita yung live ko, nagsala, nagpintas si Sala. Kasla ni Ivana Alawi, yung tsura na.
Cheers! Welcome to Alexandra. Okay, Ottawa. Oh, si Natalie. Cheers, nak. Oh, happy graduation.
Tapang.
Ka-Hong Kong si Manang Kuso, kapata Taiwan. Nalasing niya ako.
Kunin mo nga ako.
Kapit bahay ko. Chokling! Oo.
Cheers. Happy graduation.
Kumain ko na yung isa
Happy,
niya.
Bukas is
Independence
Independence
Day. Ano yung nagbuka ka tayo?
So, advance celebration.
2002 to 2005.
3 years ka lang gab. Mapo lang taga, mapo lang? Mapo lang? 200. Huh?
3450.
Ay, mahal. Si kamo yung olo nga batch.
Sige may yung bats. Yeah.
Oo, almost half million. With ngamin nga na, almost half million.
Sunod yung baga ko.
Eh? Itong favorite ko kaya. Ganyan yung inuwi ko. Tapos pag uwi ko, bote na lang ang laman. Wala na.
I-try mo pag makita mo yung pink na Baileys. Ang sarap.
Mm-mm.
Limited edition yun.
Oo, yung pink. Mm-mm.
Red velvet cupcake.
Oo, cupcake.
Pero ang hirap hanapin.
Ang chocolate siya, no? First time ko minom chocolate, mabayaw ng...
Pero may after.
Like he touched the cover.